Welcome to my channel. This is Madhu. This is my KTM Duke 790. I bought this couple of weeks back, and this video is the continuation of my previous video. In my previous video, I talked about things that I don't like in this bike, and in this video, I'm going to talk about things I really like in this bike and the reason why I bought this. I have been trying to shoot this video since morning. I tried 3 times, but I failed because there are so many kids in my neighborhood, guys. They always keep shouting, they do some crazy little things, they jump around, they come inside my gate, and when I'm shooting the video, they ask me to turn on the bike, rev the bike and all that. Because of that, I couldn't record the video completely. There was a lot of background noise, and now it's 11:30 night. All those kids have slept, and I am recording the video peacefully. One thing I've noticed in kids is they are hyperactive the moment they wake up in morning till they go to bed in night. I like to play around with kids because I do not want to do any cardio that day. Kids will make sure that I go through some rigorous cardio workouts when I play around with them. And the matter of fact is, kids never go through stress. They are least bothered about the future unless their parents put some pressure on them to get some good marks in academics or something like that. All they want is to have fun, and they live in the moment. And if we adults like us take away this quality from kids and implement it in our life, then it's going to create a huge difference. But the matter of fact is, it's very difficult to implement that in our life. So let's jump into the topic of this video and let me talk about things I really like in this bike. The main and primary reason why I bought this bike is because it's twin cylinder and it generates incredible torque when we open the throttle in the initial RPM. Whenever I open the throttle, it brings smile on my face. So I love the throttle response in this bike. And the KTM is so popular for manufacturing bikes with incredible throttle response whenever we open the throttle in any RPM. So that is one of the major reasons I bought this bike. And let's move on to the second point. It's seat. Seat is very comfortable and it's wide. Whenever I sit on the seat, I feel so comfortable. I have enough space to move around and change my position the way I am comfortable with. It doesn't mean that the seat is very soft. Seat is stiff, but your butt has got enough space to move around here and there to adjust the way you want. I have noticed in the other bikes where the seating position is fixed, we can't move here and there. But in this bike, you can move here and there and the seat is pretty wide. If your butt is bigger, the seat is also bigger. It's comfortable for you. Third point is about ground clearance. This bike is the ideal middleweight naked bike for India, made for Indian roads. Because we go through a lot of bumps, potholes, humps, ground clearance is must for all the bikes and cars in India. Otherwise, we are going to scrape the belly of our car or bike. This has got enough ground clearance compared to any other naked bikes available in the market. And that is one of the reasons I like this bike. Let's move on to the next point. This bike is lightweight. It's somewhere around 170 kg. And when you sit on this bike and start riding this bike in traffic, I feel as if I'm handling a regular 150cc bike which are available in Indian market. So easy to handle. It's so nimble in traffic. I feel so comfortable to maneuver in the traffic. I don't feel the weight of this bike at all. The next point is about stability. This bike is so stable on high speeds. I have crossed 200 plus km/h. And it was so comfortable and I was so confident to handle this bike on high speeds. I didn't cross 200 plus km/h in this bike. I tested it on a test ride bike and I have made a separate video about my test ride experience and I put the links in the description below. You can go ahead and watch it. And let's move on to the next point. This bike is loaded with electronics. It has got 4 riding modes: rain mode, track mode, sports mode, street mode. You can choose whichever you want based on the scenario. If you're in a city, you can choose street mode. If you're in a highway, you can choose sports mode. If it's raining, you can choose rain mode. If you're on track, you can choose track mode. Or if you want to feel the raw power of this bike, you can go to track mode. And you got anti-wheelie mode, launch control, super sports mode, and 9 levels of traction control. I have made a detailed video explaining each and every mode that we can use in this bike, and I put the links in the description below. You can go ahead and watch that if you're interested. And I think these electronics will not be available in any of the other naked bikes in this segment that is available in the market. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Even though I'm not a big fan of electronics, since this bike has got a lot of things to play around, I started to enjoy changing the modes, playing around with tweaking some settings and all that stuff. It's fun to ride this bike. The next point is about the essence of this bike. KTM named this bike as Scalpel, aka KTM Duke 790. Scalpel means a sharp blade which is used by the surgeon to cut the skin when they are doing surgery or something like that. And there is a reason they named it as Scalpel. It is so sharp, agile, nimble. I mean, I'm falling short of words when we take this to corners, when we go through twists. If you are someone who would love to ride the bike through corners, through twists, you would love to ride this bike. This is a fun machine to ride in corners, man. I am like super excited to take this bike on a road trip to go through corners, but I am just patiently waiting so that we get through this COVID-19 crisis. I like the power to weight ratio of this bike, which makes it even more easier to go through the corners, and we don't even feel the weight of this bike. That's it for this video, guys. I just thought of sharing all these points with you as information, and I have made a couple of videos with this Duke 790, and I've shared my insights, and I went on a road trip. The links are in the description below. If you are interested, you can click on that link and watch it. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.